My favorite thing to do when I'm traveling is to see a sign that looks interesting, like something I need to see, and follow it. So I was on the highway and I got off at the wrong fork. I followed the wrong fork for the highway for where I actually wanted to go. And then it said Point Isabell. And I was like, what's that? So I continued to follow those signs. So we're going to go see Point Isabell. It is a dog fun time beach or something. I don't know. Lots of dogs. Dogs. The view's kind of fantastic. I'm gonna get away from the dogs first.